Experiencing outgoing call failed on SafeLink? This often stems from VoLTE issues or network glitches, especially after SafeLink's transition to Verizon's network. First, ensure your phone supports VoLTE and it's enabled in settings, usually under Network, Mobile Network. Next, perform a network reset. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This refreshes your connection. After the reset, confirm your SafeLink APN settings are correct. For Verizon, it's VZ Winternet. If problems persist, a device upgrade might be necessary, especially for older phones. Outgoing call failures often result from authentication problems, low signal strength, or conflicts between the phone's OS and carrier network. If basic troubleshooting fails, check SIM card integrity and ensure your phone is unlocked. Consider using the SafeLink app for diagnostics and updates. A major trend is the shift to all IP networks, pushing VoLTE adoption. SafeLink is integrating AI-driven app diagnostics for automated fixes. By 2027, with 5G VoNR expanding, call failures are anticipated to decrease significantly. For rural areas with spotty LTE, roaming on partner networks like AT&T can help. If these steps don't resolve the issue, contact SafeLink support directly for further assistance or to check your eligibility for a free device upgrade. The future focuses on user empowerment through educational resources, with SafeLink planning virtual workshops on troubleshooting.